What if you woke up and suddenly found yourself buried alive? How would you save yourself? First of all, don't struggle or yell, because yelling will not only waste your energy and also consume a lot of oxygen. Secondly, graveyards are usually in sparsely populated areas, and the coffins are buried 2 meters deep underground. The soil has strong soundproofing ability, so your cries won't be heard. If you are extremely lucky, you happen to have a cell phone on you, don't hesitate. Turn on your cell phone immediately to see if there is any signal. If there is, call the police directly. The police will be able to locate your position according to your cell phone's location and send help. Then call your friends and relatives to increase the chances of being rescued. If you don't have a cell phone, you can only rely on yourself. At this time, you can first look for keys and other hard things on your body. Then hold the metal part of it and try to cut a hole in the coffin board. If you can't find anything hard on your body, you can use the hardest part of your body instead. You can knock on the coffin board to determine which part of the coffin is thinner, and then you hit it with all your might. If you're lucky enough to knock a hole in the coffin panel, you have to wrap your head with your clothes to prevent dirt from falling into your mouth, nose, and eyes. Then use your hands to push the dirt out to the sides of your body to prevent yourself from being buried in the mud. When the soil reaches 2/3 of the height of the coffin, you can try to sit up under the protection of your wrapped clothes. Keep digging your hands into the soil above you and slowly wriggle your way up. You know, this is a very difficult process, but with a strong desire to survive, you will be able to hold on. Because as long as you can break through the soil, you'll have a new life. Don't think that's so far away. According to research, that there have been 149 times in history that people have been buried alive. Most of the people do not have enough knowledge of self-rescue and finally suffocated to death. So having some self-rescue knowledge can greatly improve your chances of survival when you're buried.